water safety device is tripped. As you can see, when the unit runs in the wintertime, it doesn't condensate, so it shouldn't have any water in your pan. I'm gonna take this off. So you see there's no water in there at all, so this shouldn't have activated. The light for your air scrubber is completely burnt out. It goes right there. What it does prevents mold and bacterial growth and help purify the air that comes into the home. As you can see, the bulb is completely burnt out. Also, install the SS1 water safety device. Pour the water down it to make sure all my joints is leak free. You're all good to go. Good to go.